Congratulations on your new purchase of a Revo Labs FLX, the conference phone evolved. This groundbreaking new design for a conference phone allows for an improved audio and call experience, not only for telephone calls, but for video and computer calls such as Skype as well. The FLX provides independent wireless microphones, a wireless speaker, and a wireless dialer, giving the most freedom to make calls. Let's open and unpack the FLX conference phone and get started. The FLX phone and its components are packaged in several levels, so don't be alarmed if you don't see everything right away. Let's dig in and unpack. Take the base unit, the rectangular box that says Revo Labs on top, out of the box and place it somewhere close to your phone and power outlet. Now take the charger base, the round piece, out of the box and place it close to a power outlet. As all components of FLX are wireless and do not need to be put in the charger base during a call, the charger base does not have to be on the conference table. Next, take the two power supplies out of the box and unpack them. The power supplies might either be in a small carton of their own or in a plastic bag. There are two different power supplies, one for the base station and the other for the charger base. The power supply with the green ring or band goes into the base station. The other power supply goes into the charger tray. If the green ring was lost, look at the power output of the power supply. The 5-volt power supply goes into the base unit. The other power supply is for the charger tray. Let's now take the speaker out of the box and place it in the charger base. Placing the speaker in the charger base will automatically switch it on. Once the speaker is ready, the LEDs will blink green, indicating that it is currently charging, or be constant green, showing that it is fully charged. On the bottom of the speaker, you find the on-off button and the pairing button. You will need this only if you want to switch the speaker off, or need to repair the system. Now take the microphones out of the box. Depending on whether it is a FLX 2 or FLX 4 system, you will have 2 or 4 microphones. There are 3 different microphone types. The omnidirectional microphone is a tabletop microphone. You place it on a table and it will pick up audio from 360 degrees. The directional microphone is also a tabletop microphone, but it has the best audio pickup in the direction it points to. The wearable microphone should be worn by a presenter during a whiteboard session or presentation. This microphone is designed to be about 8 to 12 inches away from the mouth and provides perfect audio at this distance. The wearable microphone does not have to point directly at the mouth. Like the speaker, place the microphones in the charger tray. They will automatically switch on. Each microphone has one button, which, when pressed once, will mute the microphone indicated by a red flashing LED, or unmute the microphone indicated by a green flashing LED. If you press and hold down the button, it will turn the microphone off. The last component in the box is the dialer. Please place it in the charger base. You will see the Revo Labs logo, followed by a message, scanning for paired base, and then connecting. Since there is no telephone line connected at the moment, a warning might show on the dialer. Please ignore it for the moment. The dialer allows you to dial the numbers for your conference calls. It also acts as a handset, allowing you to have private calls not using the microphones and speakers. Lastly, it serves as the menu to change and control the FLX conference phone options. Depending on the type of system you have, analog POTS or voice over IP, take the appropriate telephone or network wire out of the box and connect the FLX base to the appropriate wall outlet, a telephone outlet or the network outlet. Your FLX system is now ready to make and receive phone calls. Let's make a phone call. While all components of FLX work in the charger, the idea of the wireless conference phone is that the components don't need to be in the charger during a call. Take the dialer, the speaker, and one of the microphones out of the charger and strategically place them on the conference table. Dial the number you want to call on the dialer and press the green button to start the call. With the microphone out of the charger, the call will automatically start as a conference call. You will hear the audio through the speaker, and the microphones are active. You can switch between speaker call and handset call by pressing the left soft key. The screen of the dialer will show information on the current call, like the number you dialed and the time of the call. You end a call by pressing the red button on the handset. If you do not need the conference phone immediately for another call, it is recommended to return the speaker, microphones, and the dialer back to the charger base. An incoming call can be answered by either pressing the green button on the dialer or by removing a microphone from the charger base. If you answer the call using the handset and there is a microphone outside of the charger tray, the call is being answered as a conference call using the speaker. Otherwise, it is answered as a handset call. Like before, the left soft key allows you to switch between a conference call and a handset call. Your FLX system can also be used with any Bluetooth-enabled device, like a mobile phone or a Bluetooth-enabled computer. This way, the FLX conference phone becomes your speaker extension for mobile calls or Skype calls. To connect the FLX via Bluetooth, for example, to your mobile phone, open the menu on your FLX dialer and go to the Bluetooth menu. Select Discovery Mode, and your FLX will be visible to Bluetooth devices for 3 minutes. On your mobile phone, search for Bluetooth devices. The FLX will be listed as FLX_ and a number behind it. Connect to this device and enable the connection. You might also have to enable the connection on the FLX dialer screen as well. Now when you call a number from your mobile phone, the FLX speaker and microphone will automatically be your conference phone extension to your mobile phone. You can connect an audio input and an audio output to the back of the base station. This allows taking audio from another device, like a video conferencing unit, and play it back over the FLX speaker, and use the FLX microphone input and send it to the video conference unit. This makes the FLX your real unified communication device. The FLX microphones are now your microphones for telephone calls, video calls, and cell phone calls. The speaker is now the speaker for all of these calls. This reduces the amount of equipment and technology you need in your conference rooms. We hope you found this installation video helpful in setting up your new Revo Labs FLX conference phone. Enjoy.